I'm Rebecca with Traveling Trainers, and I'm going to show you a core exercise that uses a band. It's going to really hit your abs and obliques, and this is one that I find really helpful with a lot of my clients because unlike a lot of core exercises, you can do this one standing up and avoid all the trouble of getting down onto the floor, onto your back, and up again. So let's get started. You're going to stand with your feet about hips distance apart and have the band right about where your arches are. Pull it up around to your shoulders, or however high you can pull this pretty comfortably and get a nice tension on the band. And from there, you're gonna rock your weight into one side and punch up and across with one arm, and then back the other way, punch up and across, back to the center. Hold your core really tight, tight legs, tight glutes, giving yourself a firm base of support, and then touch one shoulder and then the other shoulder. So again, that's rock and punch, and shoulder tap, and shoulder tap. I'll show you that from the side too, so you can see that the important thing to do here is make sure that your base is firm and that your upper body isn't swaying as you move your arms and hit shoulder to shoulder. Okay, so that's it. I would try that between about 8 and 15 times, depending on how hard it is for you. Take a break, maybe do the whole thing a second time, and if you're looking for any more exercises and tips, you can find them at travelingtrainers.com. Bye.